Welcome to the Redmi 10A, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open Play Store application, and then here in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just tap here to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, tap OK and again to OK. Now go back and click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Then just tap here to OK. And now the process is finished. And let's, for example, open this Google search. And here in the search pool we can see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.